Oh my God, taping today has just been crazy, and I thought everything was fine, and then I look up and then I see that. Let's just get this video started. Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I will be talking about the products that I like and dislike from the e.l.f. haul that I did about 2.5 months ago. So if you're interested in hearing what my thoughts are about those products, please stay tuned. Okay, I got everything in front of me and I have my little notes. So, I think what I'm gonna do is go in the order that I went in the video. So some things I just really did not like at all. Some things I love, and some things I'm kind of like, you know, I'll keep trying it and see if I can get it to work better for me. And some things have came up missing. So I'll let you know how I felt about those things too. So moving right along. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is the e.l.f. Hydro Serum. Kind of hard to see with the lighting. I did not like this at all. It did nothing for my skin. And is this the one? Kind of has a funky smell. This is it. I didn't like it. It didn't do anything for me. Products work differently on everybody's skin type. It just wasn't something for me. So no, I did not like it at all. It smelled funny. I just didn't like the way it felt on my face. I almost kind of left my face feeling sticky. I just didn't like it at all. So yeah, that's the way I felt. Next is the Gentle Peeling Cleanser. Man, the light is like, let me see. Wow, you can't see nothing. Well, this is the Gentle Peeling Cleanser. Didn't like this either. You're supposed to put it on a dry face and rub it around, and then the cleanser, is it a cleanser? I mean the Gentle Peeling Exfoliant is supposed to start getting all of the dead skin off your face. Now, when I put it on, it did start to come up and stuff started to roll around, and I'm like, but I think it was just the product just rolling around on top of my skin, because it didn't make a difference. I tried it 4 times. I even tried it wet. It didn't work. I didn't see a difference. I don't like it. Next is the Illuminating Eye Cream. Now this one I really liked. I liked it. It smells fresh, and I feel like it did its job. My under eyes felt moisturized. They seem to help deter some of the lines I have under my under my eyes. I just really like the way it worked. And this is like my number 2 for eye cream. I'll put this on at night or like midday or something like that. But this is right. I put this right next to my, I can't think of my eye cream. What is the name of my eye cream? I'll just notate it up here somewhere. I can't think of the name of it, but I really liked it. Next is the Nourishing Eye Cream. Next is the e.l.f. Nourishing Night Cream. I like this as well, very much so. Left my face moisturized and feeling good. I felt like, I mean, it's just a really good moisturizer. It's got jojoba oil in it and purified water. It did seem like it left my face glowing, and the next day my skin felt real soft and hydrated. Love it. Next is the e.l.f. makeup removing cleansing cloths. It's an oldie but a goodie. Been using them forever. Love them. Thumbs up. What else can I say? Next is the e.l.f. misting set. Again, been using it forever. I love it. Don't have anything bad to say about it. Even though, but it does says makeup misting set. It's not like an awesome lock-in set to me, but it's close. So if you have like an everyday type of work day where, you know, you want a little beat, you know, and you just spray your face, it'll work for that. But if you're like getting ready to go out and you know you're going to be sweating when whether you're dancing or whatever, nah. But other than that, I love it. Next is the e.l.f. oil free foundation with SPF 15. I tried this a couple of times. I do like it. It's not your long-lasting foundation by far. It will start to break up on your face maybe about 4 or 5 hours into the wear. It's beautiful, it's nice, but it doesn't last long. Another thing about this foundation is it's extremely thick. When the first time I put it on, I was just like, oh, this is really thick. So the first time I wore it just like it is, full coverage. And like I said, it started to break up. So the next time I wore it again without putting anything on it, full coverage, then it started to, you know, break apart. So the third time I wore it, I put a little couple of oil drops in it, and it went on much smoother, much nicer. It blended so much better, because when you wear it, I mean when you use it without anything, things can tend to become streaky, and you're blending, and then using your sponge to try to get it to, you know, act right. And it's because it's so thick, but it was an easier process with the oil drops in it. So it's a nice foundation. I will wear it again if I don't have to be in makeup for long, but it's not long lasting. So I will give it whatever that means, right? Next is the e.l.f. lip exfoliators. I got 2 of them. They're good. I like them. They're a little bit softer than the ones I'm used to, which is fine. The other one was very rough at times. This is a little softer. I appreciate that, and it works just as well. So thumbs up. Next is the e.l.f. lipstick. I love it. This is so moisturizing, so pigmented. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I have it on now. Very pretty. I mean, it's just like really very pigmented. A little goes a long way. You don't have to keep putting it on and putting it on, because it will build up kind of thick. But yeah, very nice, very nice. I will be getting more of these. Next is my e.l.f. brow pencils. I got 2 of them. I can't find them, but I really liked them. I really did like them. They were easy to work with. They're not too hard and not too soft. It's a type of pencil where you can kind of leave those feathering marks. To me, I like the harder pencils when it comes to brows, because the softer ones kind of move around, and when it comes to your brows, you don't want your the makeup on your eyebrows to be moving around, because it's gonna rub off, or it's gonna be, your eyebrows gonna be looking crazy. So I definitely recommend the eyebrow pencils. I hope they come up. Next is the e.l.f. blush and bronzer. This is okay. It's one of those, it's alright. I got a little bit of the blush on today. It's good for really subtle looks. If you want to do something subtle on the cheek, just like I want to do something subtle on the cheek today. So it's one of those, it's alright, you know, it's alright. Lastly is the e.l.f. baked highlighter. Again, this is another one that's okay. I don't care too much for the I don't care too much for the color, but I said I was gonna try to work with this on my eyes, see if I like them on my eyes versus, you know, like the way a regular highlighter is. Today I got on Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. Not this one, but I'm gonna keep working with this. I'm gonna keep working with this because I believe this will be good. I'm just not sure in what way. So you may be seeing this in some tutorials. You never know. Thank you for tuning into my video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessings.